I'll guide you through how to watch restricted adult videos on YouTube without the problem of a lock setting. If you're looking to watch a wider selection of videos on YouTube, including restricted adult videos, or if a specific video is unavailable due to restrictions, which will require turning off the mode on YouTube, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's get started. Here is a complete process to turn off restricted mode to enable you to watch adult videos on YouTube. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you are signed into your account. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on General. You will see the restricted mode toggle. If you have access, tap on it to turn it off. If the restricted mode setting is grayed out and you cannot turn it off, there are a few possible reasons. 1. Network administrator. Your Wi-Fi network, such as at a school or library, might have restricted mode enabled by the network administrator. In this case, you will not be able to change the setting yourself. 2. Parental controls. If your account is managed by a parent or is part of a Google Family Link group, parental controls might be enforcing this setting. You will need to check those settings with your parents. Remember that restricted mode is a device-specific setting. If you turn it off on your phone, it will not automatically be turned off on your tablet, computer, or other devices. You will need to repeat this process on each device where you want to disable it. By following these steps, you have successfully turned off restricted mode on YouTube. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.